Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's staying at home, staying safe, keeping your hands and countertops washed, all that good stuff. At least we got videos to watch, y'all. And guess what else? I got some spoilers for you. Yes, I sure do. I got some spoilers for the Ipsy May Ultimate Glam Bag. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on any spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's see that first comment from my last video, which was a possible future BoxyCharm spoiler. Thank you so much. Michelle is at New Orleans. I hope I said that right, honey. Anyways, Michelle says stay safe. Well, I really appreciate that, Michelle, honey. Thank you so much. I hope you are doing the same as well. And I really appreciate you coming and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Again, this is for the May Ultimate Glam Bag. So first of all, let's take a look at that bag. Absolutely gorgeous. I think these bags are perfect for spring. I love the faded look. I love the pastels. Alright guys, now let's get into these spoilers. So the first thing up is the Dominique Rustic Glam Eyeshadow Palette. Oh my god, I'd love to have this palette, y'all. Next up is the Smashbox Cosmetics Cover Shot Eyeshadow Palette in Ablaze. And then next up is the Laura Geller Urban Garden Palette in Central Park, Central Park. Next up is the Il Makiage Waterproof Lip Liner in the shade Vintage. And then we have the Derma Medicine Weightless Face Moisturizer. And then we got the Sunday Riley CEO C+E Micro Dissolve Cleansing Oil. And last but certainly not least, y'all, is the Foxy Bay Wet Hair Brush. So far, guys, this is looking like a pretty good bag. So, of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much. Is it Fanky Wang? I hope I said that right. I probably said it wrong. Anyway, she says, definitely looking forward to this palette. Thank you for sharing, Mandy. Well, you are more than welcome, honey. I'd go crazy if I didn't have videos to do. I don't know what I would do. But I really appreciate you coming by and watching my video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube keeps taking my subscribers away. But if you would, check that out for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.